The King Kooker 9QT fry pan is like a reliable friend in your kitchen. It's made of aluminum, so it heats up quickly and evenly, just like a sunny day warms the pavement. This pan comes with a basket. The basket lets you easily lift out fried foods, like crispy chicken or golden fries. It makes cooking simpler and safer, and cleaning up is not a big case. This King Kooker 9QT fry pan is a good size for families. You can cook a lot of food at once. Imagine it as a small pond, big enough to hold many fish. The aluminum material helps to spread the heat well. This means your food cooks without hot spots or cold spots. So, your food comes out just right every time. And that meets most expectations. For anyone who loves to fry, the King Kooker 9QT fry pan is a solid choice. It is simple to use, and the basket is a great feature. While it's not made of Teflon, cleaning is still manageable, especially if you soak it after use. Think of it as a dependable tool. It might not have all the fancy bells and whistles, but it gets the job done well, year after year. Pros: includes a basket, heat-safe handles, good for frying, easy to clean, large 9-quart size. Often good value, suitable for outdoor use, 2 helper handles. Cons: can warp easily, reports of leaking oil, quality can be instant, some find it too big. Mislabeled material in some listings, no lid included. Basket may not have a drain hook, not dishwasher safe features. Aluminum build 9-quart size, includes basket, helper handles. 2. Heat resist handle, durable metal, easy to clean, good for frying, for outdoor use. Value. For price, this King Kooker fry pan is made of aluminum and holds 9 quarts. So it's big enough to fry a good amount of food. It comes with a basket to easily take food out after frying. There are 2 extra handles to help you carry it, and the main handle is made to stay cool. The metal is strong, and the pan is not hard to clean. It works well for frying food outside and is a good deal for the money. The King Kooker 9-quart aluminum fry pan with basket is a big pot that's good for frying food, especially outside. It has handles that don't get too hot and 2 extra handles to help you carry it. It's often a good deal for the price and easy to clean. However, some people have said it can bend out of shape, and there have been reports of oil leaking. The quality might not always be the same, and some think it's too large. Also, the material might be listed wrong sometimes. It doesn't come with a lid, and the basket might not have a hook to drain oil. Remember, you can't wash it in a dishwasher.